In this video lesson, I will show you how to use a Pip value calculator for the US dollar against Norwegian currency. Here you can see the Pip value calculator, and also below that you have an explanation how to use this calculator with the examples. On the right side you have a trading platform where I will show you one trading example by using this Pip value calculator. The link for this Pip value calculator will be below in the description, so you can easily click and go to the article and also use the Pip value calculator. Let me explain to you what are these fields inside this Pip value calculator. First field represents the number of pips, so you enter here how much number of pips you would like to make the calculation. I have put 1, and when I click calculate, I get 0.939, which is a pip value in US dollar for 1 pip for this currency symbol. Second field here is instrument. I have put here US dollar against Norwegian krone, so it is a currency symbol. I would like to make the calculation for the pip value. Then you have here the number of units, which is also a lot, but here I have selected to put it as a units, which means 100,000 units in Forex represents 1 lot. If you would like to use a lots, simply click here to lots and you will change to number 1. So you can change these values as you would like. I will return to the units. Then you have here a field which is a deposit currency, and deposit currency represents what currency you have as a trading account here. In my trading platform I have US dollar, so I have put here, I put deposit currency as a US dollar. If you would like, you can also change this currency to any other. Then you have here USDNOK 1 pip size, which means on which decimal point is 1 pip. In my price on the trading platform you can see it is 10.64610, and it has 5 decimal point. 5th decimal point represents number of pips, and that means it's not number of pips. On the 4th decimal point is the number of pips, so this is correct with me and also my trading platform. Then you have here US dollar against NOK price, which means currently it is 10.64443. If you change this one here to any other, for example to the euro, you will need additional price, additional instrument to make the calculation, and that means because if you have euro as a deposit currency on your trading platform, you need to have additional price to make the calculation for this instrument. And then there is the problem that if you have deposit currency which is not one of these two inside this currency symbol, you need to make the calculation with additional currency price, in this case euro against Norwegian krone, to make the calculation of a pip. In my case it is US dollar, so I will leave this one here, and when you click calculate you get the value for a pip. Below here inside the article you will see what formula is used to make the calculation for the pip value when you have base currency, when you have quote currency, and also when you have a third currency which is not US dollar or Norwegian krone, for example when you have euro. So you can easily see how these calculations are made if you would like to make manually, but if you are using this Pip value calculator you can simply enter the values here. Let's go to the trading platform and open new order with one lot, which is also equal to 100,000 units, and click for example sell. Here where the row is with the new order open, you can simply see here how many pips and also what is the current profit or loss. In my case I have opened a sell order, and currently I am in minus for $50. That means I'm in minus 522, which means minus 52.2 pips. So when you put here minus 52.2 pips, click calculate, you get 49.04. So it is the same value you got here inside the trading platform. Let's change this one to 56.4, click calculate, 52.99. You can see 52.98. It is slightly different because the rounding inside this calculation, also this Pip calculator, is slightly different. It is second decimal point in this result is different, so it is something not bothering worthy. So you can continue using this Pip value calculator to calculate how much money you would make or lose on this trade. And that means, for example, if we change this order and put, for example, 1000 units, and that means 100 pips. Let's change this one here, just to show you how you can use this Pip value calculator in order to calculate what would be take profit and also stop loss. So for example, if you would like to open an order with the take profit that would be 43.2 pips, you can see it here visible, 43.2 pips, how much money you would make? You would make $40.58, and that means it is the same profit as you can see on the trading platform. So you can be sure that this Pip value calculator would give you a precise information what would be the profit or loss on this trade if you open a new order with this take profit number of pips. You can easily see before opening order how much is the risk you could take on this trade, and also is it in line with your risk management. If everything is okay, you simply open a new order with the number of pips, and also you will have precise informations. This is all from this video lesson. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment, and I will try to answer your question in the following videos. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and happy trading!